didn't go and we didn't get the vaccination.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with thousands of passionate football lovers, thronged the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Polo, Shillong to witness the first ever Indian Super League match in the state. While the match held between Northeast United FC and Mumbai City FC yesterday saw the former suffer a disappointing defeat, it marked a historic moment for football in the region. Mumbai City FC defeated Northeast United FC by 2-0. The enthusiasm of the crowd, including the Chief Minister, demonstrated Shillong's reputation as India's football capital.